ain't no way we get to the backyard. Did you see the garage door?
Whew. I don't know if anybody can see this, but this is the Blizzard.
You just take a picture with the snow blowing. It's not gonna do nothing to the camera.
I don't want it wet.
At least take a picture of me.
Ooh, look at this. Look at all this snow. Everybody's trying to get their car out.
Okay, and I want you to go walk to the back real fast. Stay in the back. Look at the backyard.
Look at the stairs.
Not only the stairs, but look at the garage.
I have to hurry up because I don't want my camera to get wet. But I just
want you to take a picture of me with this.
Have to let everybody see how high the snow is.
And it's still snowing.
And it's still snowing, and it's coming down, so let me run. Oh! Look at the garage door. Look at all that snow on the garage. Look in the backyard. Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. And this is in Chicago, Illinois, 2011. This is... You would think I didn't even shovel any snow. Look how much snow is now here. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me. I'm not going down. This is Chicago, 2011.